OpenAI has announced its latest reasoning model, O3, during the final day of their Shipmas event. O3 is the successor to the O1 model released this year and includes O3-mini, a smaller distilled version optimized for specific tasks. Probably the biggest announcement was O3 achieving 87% on the ARC-AGI benchmark, which is a benchmark that's supposedly used to measure AGI level performance. But in this video, let's actually go over if this is actually AGI and how accurate the ARC benchmark even is. This was a really big announcement, so let's do a complete breakdown and I'll give you my thoughts. Unlike traditional generative models, O3 is part of a growing trend toward reasoning models that perform private chains of thought, planning responses with a step-by-step process before delivering an output. These developments aim to enhance accuracy, particularly like those in mathematics, science, and logic. Interestingly, you might be wondering why OpenAI skipped the O2 name, and this is due to potential trademark conflicts with the British telecom company O2. CEO Sam Altman confirmed this decision during the livestream, and while O3 is not yet open to the public, safety researchers can sign up for preview access. The O3-mini is expected to launch by the end of January. A significant feature introduced with this release is deliberated alignment, allowing the models to evaluate prompts for safety before responding. And this also marks OpenAI's deeper focus on ensuring responsible AI deployment. So firstly, benchmark performance. The O3 family achieves unprecedented results across various benchmarks. On the EpochAI Frontier Math benchmark, among the hardest math tests for AI systems, if not the hardest, these math problems are difficult for even the top mathematicians. O3 scored 25.2%, a massive leap compared to the previous state-of-the-art score of 2%. It also scored a 96.7% on the AMY 2024 math competition benchmark, missing only one question. On the ARC-AGI benchmark, which evaluates a model's ability to learn new tasks efficiently, O3 achieved a top score of 85.7%, far surpassing O1's performance, which ranged from 25 to 32%. OpenAI noted that 85% is considered human level on ARC-AGI, suggesting O3's significant progress towards artificial general intelligence. Is AGI, and one of the important things they mentioned in the live stream was that they have to improve the benchmark further, and this is why ARC-AGI is working on releasing a second benchmark, a more refined one, later next year. And as this suggests, this isn't exactly an acid test for AGI. Furthermore, passing ARC-AGI does not equate to achieving AGI. And personally, I don't think O3 is AGI yet. Also, they mentioned the high compute cost. Almost around $350,000, which is kind of wild. And the blog post specifically mentioned how OpenAI asked ARC-AGI to not disclose the exact cost for the high compute version. Also, one odd thing I noticed is that the graph in their blog post shows the top two scores as tuned, and this was not displayed in the live demo. So I wonder what this suggests about that model. Like, it might be trained to be better handling these types of questions, and also I'm curious about the data and answer contamination in those cases. Regardless, this is really great progress on general reasoning tasks, but I do think the benchmark needs to be improved further. Additionally, O3 set new records for the SWE benchmark verified code forces, which it achieved a 2,727 rating, and GPQA Diamond, with it achieving 87.7%, outpacing all competing models. Despite these gains, OpenAI's evaluations are internal, so external testing will be crucial to validate these claims. Another big thing is the latency and adjustability. Reasoning models like O3 are designed to think before generating responses, often taking longer than traditional generative models. However, OpenAI introduced a new feature for O3, adjustable reasoning time. Users can choose between low, medium, and high reasoning time depending on the task's complexity. Higher reasoning times yield better results but come with increased latency. For example, O3's latency on low is around 0.99 seconds, so less than 1 second, but on high it extends to over 23 seconds. Also, AI safety and alignment is going to be a big theme for 2025, I believe. Safety concerns have been the focus for OpenAI's reasoning models. O1 was noted for its tendency to deceive retrieve at higher rates than traditional models. To address this, O3 includes deliberated alignment, enabling the model to assess the safety of a prompt before responding. This feature enhances reliability and trustworthiness while reducing the risks associated with advanced reasoning capabilities. There might be some skepticism with this feature as we are using AI reasoning to see if an inputted query is aligned or not. Furthermore, the rivalry has increased greatly. The success of O1 has led to increased competition among AI developers. Companies like Google and even Alibaba have released their own reasoning models, with this week Google releasing many different new models, including their VO2, which is a video AI model that actually beats Sora. Reasoning models are seen as the next frontier in AI development for 2025, which address the limitations of brute force scaling in generative models. However, their high computational costs and uncertain scalability have sparked debate about their practicality for widespread use, including concerns for the end of scaling laws. I believe that OpenAI's O3 represents a major leap in reasoning AI with performance that edges closer to AGI level capabilities. With groundbreaking scores across benchmarks and a focus on safety through deliberated alignment, O3 sets a new standard for what AI systems can achieve going into 2025. I'm very eager to test out o3-mini when it comes out late January, but meanwhile, have a happy holidays and see you in the next video.